guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lay, and once again, this is Everything Life. Okay, so on today's episode, we will be trying on the unboxing items we got from Meshki that I did in my last video, and that is what we're going to be doing today. So just grab a bottle of water, take a seat, it's really hot outside, and enjoy this video. Okay, so first I just want to say, for anyone that's been following my videos, thank you so much. And if you saw my Fashion Nova haul slash try on slash unboxing, this overall was one of the items that I had in that video that I received from Fashion Nova, and that is why I have it on today. I just want to show you guys. I'm trying to change the light to see which one looks better. But yes, this is obviously not the right type of shirt to wear under this, but it's just so hot that I just found this and threw it on. But this is what the overall looks like on. I ended up liking the fit of it a lot. It's a little shorter than I imagined, but I like how it's not like a blunt cut. It's like you call it, like throat at the end and all that. But otherwise, I like it. Other than it being a little too short, I think it's a nice fit. It has like pockets. I love pockets on the side. Oh. But yes, and this top that I'm wearing is just a top that I got a while ago from Urban Outfitter, like a year or two ago. But yes. Anyways, let's get right into the video and try on the tops that I've received from Meshki. Okay, so guys, like I mentioned, it's very hot where I am right now, so please just bear patience with me. I will try to do this as neatly and organized as possible. But the first thing I'm going to be trying on is the halter bodysuit, the mildly ribbed halter neck bodysuit. And I've never actually, I don't own a halter. I don't own a halter. I've never actually worn one, but so this will be my first one. And everything that I have is super white, so it might take me like a minute or two to put it on because I don't want to get makeup or like any stains on it. So yes, this is the first item that I will be trying on. My nails are also not done, so please don't judge me. Okay, so guys, I have the first item on. The halter top. This is what it looks like. I have on a strapless bra under this. My boobs do not sit like this on a regular basis. So yes, this is what it looks like. It's a thong. Ooh, too much. It is a thong bottom, and this is what the back looks like. Yes, I like this. I should start wearing halter tops a long time ago. And it's also like a high cut, if that makes sense. Like goes up a little further. I like that. I like that kind of cut in clothes, because then if you wear like low-rise jeans, they like fall and you kind of like see your definition of your waist or your hips. But yes, I really like this. It's cute and it fits really nicely. This is an extra small, for anyone that's wondering. Got this in extra small. It makes my boobs look good too. Maybe it's just double fold, I don't know. But yes. Okay, next. Okay, so guys, the next one that I have on already is the slinky strappy jersey bodysuit, and this is the one that feels like almost like a bathing suit material. This is also an extra small, and I am in love with this. Like, I love the color. I love this, like an olive green almost. Well, it's an olive green, and the little detailing on the shirt itself. It's like an overlay over here. But yes, I really like the feel of this. And this is what the back looks like. Go higher. That's what the back looks like. I really like it. It fits like it should. And once again, it makes my boobs look good. So that's a plus. And it is also a high cut thong bottom fit, if that makes sense. Or style, that's the word. High cut thong style. So yes, I like this. Next! Okay, so guys, already I've ran into a problem with trying on one of the items. I just realized that this kind of neck over, trying to go over this head of mine with makeup on is not a good idea. So I'm just trying to figure out how to go about this. So my little advice, word of advice, if you're going to purchase this shirt or any type of shirt like this and you want to wear it, do your makeup, I will put this on before doing your makeup and all that, because I don't know how I'm going to put this on without getting it dirty. So yes, that's a challenge that I will now take on. Okay, after a few struggles, I finally have the top on. You can see I kind of shifted my camera so you can see the color better. But as you can see, like, you don't necessarily need to wear a bra with this top, because this wire will help your boobs stay in place, at least for me. But I just kept it on because it was already on. I really like the fit of this. It's not heavy at all. It's really light. It feels like a nice material as well. But yes, I had to shift. Once again, it's a high cut thong fit, and I think that's the theme for all of these bodysuits that I have today. Okay, so I don't necessarily need to try this shirt on because I tried on the other one and it was so difficult to get it on last time. But this is the color and what it looks like. Yeah, I would try it on, but it was just so hard last time, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys. It's really pretty, and it's the same size as the other one, so it's gonna fit pretty much the same. So yes, next. Okay, so guys, this is the other top that I have. I really like this. This would have been nice, like nice fall, like a fall outfit. Like throw on with some jeans, some booties, and you're good to go. But yes, I really like this. And I feel like the cleavage isn't as much as I thought it was gonna be when I first saw it out of the box. But I like it. And once again, like, the cut is super high up, so it goes like that. And it's a thong. So I really like this. I'm excited for this one. Hey. Okay, so guys, that was actually the last item for bodysuits, for all the bodysuits that I got. So now I'm just gonna do the tops, and this is the first top that I got. It's a crop top. Just get close, super white. I really like the fit, and at the beginning I was afraid that it wouldn't fit because I got an extra small, but I actually like how it fits. So I think I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to return it or exchange or anything. It has little straps on the side you can pull to like make it more cropped, as if it's not cropped enough. Make it longer and all that jazz. Next, okay, so this is kind of like similar top to the one I just had on, the white one I just had on, except it doesn't have the adjustable straps on the side, but it's pretty much the same style, same cut. And this is what the back looks like. And sorry if you see me start melting, it's super hot in here. But yes, the arm fits a little tighter than the other one though, I would say that. So if you're gonna get this top, I would get it in a size up. This is an extra small, so if you're extra small like me, I would get it in a small, so it can like be a little looser because this part is a little tight. So yes, other than that, I really like this. Olive green is my color. My hair is starting to look crazy, but yes. Okay, so guys, this is the last of my tops. Wow, I wish the light was better so you can see this. Okay, let's try that again. So this is the last of the tops that I got. It's the same as that one I just had on before, but this is an extra small, and it still fits. I mean, it's a little, I guess, tighter, but it's not like a bad tight. Like, I like it. I like how it fits. So honestly, I think if you're like my size, you can pull off a small or extra small, or extra small or small. So I would say I range between a small to, between extra small to a small. So yes, I like it. It looks good. So now I'm going to just try on the last of the items that I got, and they are sweatpants. Okay, so guys, the last item that I have on are my sweatpants that I got, and at first I was a little afraid of how they would fit because I wasn't sure, because they didn't have, I'm gonna just show you. So yes, this is what they look like. Pockets on the side. No drawstring, but it's okay because I like how it looks. Let's see. This light is not letting me be great today. Yes, this is the back. Making my butt look kind of weird though. And it pairs nicely with the top that I had on already, so I just kept that on. Ankles cuffed. And now we're gonna have a dance break because why not? Alright, so that's all I have came out exactly how I wanted it to. Everything fit the way I normally would want my clothes to fit, and I think it was well worth the money spent. So would I order here again? Yes, I would, because I don't like to spend a lot of money, but when I do spend a good amount of money, I would like my items to come out worth what I spent. So this was definitely worth it, and I would definitely be buying from here again. I love this. I love everything that I got. So yes, even my pajama shirts. But yes, let me just see how much I spent on everything. Okay, so guys, I bought a total of 11 items, and everything together was $321 even. Is that a lot of money? Yes. I think my last haul, my Fashion Nova haul, everything came up to about $270, around that range. But with Fashion Nova, I also had coupons and codes that I used to buy those items. With this online store, they didn't have any available codes, and I don't think they ever do. So I've spent a little over, well, I spent $100 more, or a little under $100 more for 11 items versus whatever the amount I got from Fashion Nova. I spent more on this haul because there were no discount codes. And I know that I say that I always only shop when there are discount codes, but I also said that if there's a store that I really want to try, that I would be willing to spend that extra money to buy the items, especially if they come out as good as they did with this haul. So yes, so I spent more, but I am a lot happier with this purchase versus my Fashion Nova purchase. And maybe it's because they were jeans and these are just tops, but I don't know. I just felt like this was a more successful haul. And if I could go back in time, I would definitely take that money from Fashion Nova and put it towards something else that's a little more pricier for a better outcome. But that's just me, because for me it's all about like how long is it gonna last, like be with me. So with this stuff that I bought today, I will definitely be using it for a very long time versus what I got from Fashion Nova, where a majority of them do not fit, right? So I don't know, maybe I'll end up giving it away or something, because I just don't like when clothes don't fit me the way they should. So yes. But anyways guys, that is all I have for you for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow me on my social media on Instagram, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.